where a triangle is given to you, ABC. That triangle is equilateral, and it's given that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So if this ABC is your triangle, equilateral triangle, right? Then AB equal to AC equal to BC. All these three sides are equal. And there is a point BD over here where it's given that first point is that ABC is equilateral, right? So that is the first data is given into your question, right? Now it's also given that BD is 1 by 3 BC. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. That means whatever be the length of BC, BD is the one third of that, right? So what we will do, and we need to prove 9 AD square, 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. This is our requirement which need to be fulfilled, right? So here what we did, draw a perpendicular on BC from A so that this point is, let's say, L, right? And BL will be equal to CL, we will prove it, right? Since this is a perpendicular, this angle ALC is 90 degree, right? Now what we will do, we'll simply in triangle ALB and ALC, right? Since BC is a straight line, then this angle is 90 degree, then definitely and ALC is 90, then ALB will also be equal to 90 degree. This is also equal to 90 degree, right? 90, right? Now what we will do, we can see over here that in triangle ALB and ALC, in triangle ALB and triangle ALC, right? ALB is this one, ALC is this one. One of this angle is 90 degree. Each of the angle is 90 degree from both the triangles, and AB equal to AC and AL is the common side, right? Then we can say both of these triangles are congruent, right? Then we can by by this congruency we can see triangle ALB is congruent to triangle ALC, right? Since AB equal to AC, this side is common and this angle is 90 degree in both the triangles, right? In both these triangles. Now since ALB and ALC are congruent, then we can say that if these are congruent, then BL, this length, is equal to CL, this one. Both of these are equal. Therefore, we can say that BL equal to CL, right? So this part is defined. Now, just take this triangle ALB. So in triangle ALB, you can see this is a 90 degrees, so this is a right angle triangle. So we can prove AB square equal to AL square equal to BL plus BL square by Pythagoras. So we can write AB square as AL square plus BL square. Any doubt in this? I hope not. So, sorry. So, some disturbance into my tripod. So, just yeah, I think it's better now. I think it's visible now. Yes. Yes. Now we can see AB square equal to AL square plus BL square, right? This is the this is the this is the proof from Pythagoras, right? This is by Pythagoras, by Pythagoras theorem. Right? Now, since AB square equal to AL square plus BL square, this is AB and this is AL, this is BL, right? We can say since AB square equal to AL square plus BL square, then similarly, if we connect A to D, right? If we connect A to D here, just connect this one. Then this is also a right angle triangle, right? So we can say in that triangle, that means in triangle ALD, it's also a right angle triangle. In triangle ALD, we can see that AD square, this is hypotenuse square. So again, by applying the Pythagoras, we can see AD square equal to AL square plus DL square, right? AL square is the perpendicular and DL is the base. Now, here you can see, since AD square equal to AL square plus DL square, we can write it as this DL as what? BL minus BD. So we can write DL as BL minus BD, BL minus BD whole square, and AL square will be as it is, right? So this will give you AL square plus BL square. This one will be coming over here. You can see L square plus BL square plus BD square, right? Minus 2 times BL into BD. We just expand A minus B whole square on the formula of A minus B whole square. It is A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? Now, what we will do? You can see in place of AL square plus BL square, and we will be using AB square. Okay, so just substitute this value over here. So this will give you AD square equal to AB square plus BD square, right, minus 2 times BL into BD, right? Simple. You must have seen this question at many places, but I am taking this question to make you understand the concept which is used over here to solve it. So AB square plus BD square minus 2 BLBD, right? Now here you can see BL. BL is this much, right? Since we have proved BL equal to CL, so we can say that BL is half of BC. BL is half of BC. BL equal to half of BC. This is one of the criteria which we can show, after which we have proved, since both these triangles are congruent, we can say BL equal to CL. So that's why BL is half of BC, right? Now similarly, since BL is half of BC, we can say that, and BD is this one is half 1 by 3 of BC. It's also given. BD is 1 by 3 of BC. So here in place of BD we will write 1 by 3 BC. In place of BL we will write half BC. And in place of AB we will write BC, because AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC because this triangle is equilateral. So all these three values will be put over here, right? So when we put all these three values into this equation, this will be looking like this much. AD square, this equation will be looking like AD square equal to AB square. That means BC square plus BD square. BD square is 1 by 3 BC whole square, right? Plus this BD, BL into BD, right? That means 1 by 2 BC, 1 by 2 BC into 1 by 3 BC, right? So in place of it's you can see minus. So it's minus 2 into, in place of BL, half BC, and in place of BD, 1 by 3 BC, right? 2 will be cancelled out. Now we are left with BC square, this one, plus BC square by 9, because it's BC by 3, so it will be BC square by 9, right? BC square by 9 plus minus BC into BC, that is BC square by 3, right? So this will give you, when you take 9 as LCM, 9 BC square plus 1 BC square minus 3, this one, times BC square, and this is equal to AD square, which is already there into the LHS, right? So this will give you AD square, right? And 9 will be going into the LHS, so it will be 9 AD square equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 3, it's 7, equal to 7 BC square, right? So 9 AD square equal to 7 BC square. This is proved over here, right? So you must have seen this question into NCERT and even various books. Okay, even some examinations, it may come, right? So I think this solution is feasible to you. You can go through this and this will help you. Okay. For any query, you can put up into the comment box and just like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.